Hi, I'm Matt from Maidstone Honda. Today we're going to do a CVR 650R chain adjustment. Here's step one. First we do, loosen up the axle nut. Give it a couple of turns. There we go, that's it. We undo the locking nut on the adjuster on both sides. Use a 10mm on the adjuster. So as it moves up like that, every time you do that, just give it a bit quick of a check. Next thing, we need to check the wheel alignment with these little notches here. Make sure they are symmetrical from the other side. Easiest way is obviously either looking at the notches from the other side as well and from here, or to make sure you can look at have a ruler. Just say it's about 9mm or so from the end of there, and go on the other side as well, which is 9mm as well. Next, we tighten up the lock nut with a 12mm, 10mm, like that. Do the other side as well. We've done everything, just need to check the adjustment again. Yep, that's fine. Next, we torque up the rear axle nut. This one is 98 Nm. Chains are now adjusted on the bike. Your model may have different specifications on your bike. Check the owner's manual. If you do need more help at all, give Maidstone Honda a call and have a good day. Hi, I'm Matt from... Oh my god!
How about action?
50R. Is that it?